Hey y'all, Sasha Slots, playing Magic Pearl. Don't normally play this one, but every now and again you see that $1,000 maxed out major kind of draws you to it. 1 cent denom $5 bet, got the minor and the mini. Got this little cutie down here, that's nice. I started off with 120 bucks, so we are in the profit zone already. There we go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, I saw that major go through. Oh, you dirty dog. Oh, you dirty dog. Drop that major and we're definitely going home. Come on, baby. Drop it. Oh, shoot. Beautiful. Wow. That is a nice hit. So like I said, I started off with 120, still have 44.75 left. You math heads do that for me. I'm going to cash this 260 out. And we're going to head out of here. Y'all have a great day. Sasha Slots. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Have a great day.